subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Poco C51. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco C51 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate and up to 120Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, paired with PowerVR Ge8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 3GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Poco C51 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes one 8MP main camera with f2.0 aperture alongside the unspecified portrait lens, and for selfies it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box under Go Edition, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 76.75 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Poco C51 has been priced in India at 8,499 Indian rupees, and it will be available at a discount price of 7,999 for a limited period of time. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 10 in Power Black and Royal Blue color option. So what do you guys think of this Poco C51 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.